Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to save Snapchat photos to your gallery. Open your Snapchat app. Then we want to take a photo. After taking the photo, tap on here to save the photo to your Snapchat memories. Then close this. Tap on here to go to our memories. Tap on your photo to open it. Here, tap on these three dots. Now select Export or Send Snap. Then swipe right here and select More. Here select Save Image option. Yes, that's it. Now you can see the image is in your gallery. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.